No, don't lean. Sit
Oh,
straight.
yeah. I feel like he does.
It's matter. Just gotta straighten the head a little bit.
Yeah, try and slow him down a little bit before
Okay.
you
Whoop.
get into the corner.
Whoop.
Just,
Right.
Yeah, whoop, and slow down. Don't let him race, because keep in mind, he's 7, so
Yeah.
if
He's got more energy than what I'm
he's
doing.
got more energy, and he's just, if you don't tell him what to do, he will just spin around there.
Got it.
It's a little bit more than probably you're used to. That's better already.
Okay.